Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to disable PIN login. First, press Windows plus I. This opens the Settings app. Go to Accounts. In the left-hand menu, click on Accounts. Click on Sign In Options. Under the Account section, find and click Sign In Options. Locate PIN, Windows Hello. Scroll to find the PIN Windows Hello section. Click on Remove. Under the PIN section, click the Remove button. Confirm your decision. A message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the PIN. Click Remove again. Enter your Microsoft account password. You'll be asked to enter your Microsoft account or local account password to confirm. Click OK or Confirm. After entering the password, confirm your action. Restart your PC. To ensure changes take effect, you can restart your computer. Log in using password. After removing the PIN, Windows will revert to using your password for login. Take note, you must have a password set on your account to remove the PIN. If you're using a local account, the steps may vary slightly. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.